Namaskar. I am Dr. Kunal Kishore, Director at Vision Eye Care and Laser Center, Patna. I am specialist in cataract surgery, pediatric ophthalmology, and strabismus. Lockdown has got a profound effect on children. Children for last 1.5 years, since March 2020, are locked in their houses. They are continuously exposed to computers, tablets and mobiles. With increase of screen time, there are numerous psychological problems that is happening in children. They are becoming irritant. There are number of behavioral disorders that has come up within 1.5 years. They have grown fat because of less physical exercise. Myopia is one of the cause of increase in screen time. So a progressive myopia has been seen in children who are hooked onto the screens for long hours. As they accommodate near object, mobile, they continuously strain on it and resulting in increase in minus power. So low dose of atropine is one of the solution for this progressive myopia. Beside this, with the increase of screen time, the children should be given lubricant. They should be taught some eye exercise like frequent blinking and rest of eyes when they are attending online classes for long hours. Beside that, they should be encouraged for some physical exercise which can be easily done in the house. Breathing exercise, prayer and meditation should be inculcated in children's. More of creative works like writing, drawing, painting, music, playing music instrument, singing songs, dancing are some of the extracurricular activities which children and parents can do together to engage them. This pandemic time is a very difficult time, especially for children because of the lockdown and no outdoor activities. So my suggestion, play with them, stay with them and be with them.